So first you need to import this QR code module, and then if you don't have it, you want to make sure to download it. So you can do so like this by running this in the terminal. And then we're going to create our QR code object. So it's going to be QR equals to QR code dot QR code like this. And then you're going to specify the size. So you can go with something like 10, and then you can go with the border as well, something like 4. So we want to keep it simple. And then you're going to add the data to the QR code. So QR dot add data like this. And then you're going to specify the link. So in this case, I'm just going to put my YouTube channel, youtube.com, and then my channel. And then what we're going to do is make the QR code size fit to the amount of data. So qr.make, and then fit equals true. This ensures the code isn't too small or too large. And then what we're going to do lastly is just turn the QR code into an image. So image equals qr.makeImage, and then we're going to fill with black, and then background color will be white. And finally, you just want to make sure to save the image, and then we can call it something like channel.png. And now let's actually run the code and see if it works. So nothing is supposed to happen here in the terminal, but if you open up the sidebar, you'll see the image right here, and then you'll be able to scan it to go to the link. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you learned something new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.